Hey, I'm Sparky, and these flying around my head right now are your organs. Your brain, heart, lungs, liver, stomach, kidneys, they're all living inside you and right now working every single second to keep you alive. Cool, right?
An amazing organ waiting for you right on the other side. Ready? Here we go. There!
Did you know there's a secret bag hiding in your tummy? It's called your stomach. It sits right here, just below your chest. Touch your tummy, say hi to it. Every time you eat, the food slides down a tube and lands right inside your stomach. Now the real work begins. Inside your stomach, the walls squeeze and squish your food. Special juices called acid melt it all into a mushy soup. Amazing? Then the mushy food moves on and your body grabs all the good energy from it. That energy powers your brain, your legs, your whole body. Your stomach started it all.
Our organs are amazing. They never stop working, not even for 1 second, keeping us alive. Take care of your amazing body. It takes care of you every single day. I hope you understand now just how special you really are.
Thanks for learning about our amazing body organs with me today. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Sparky Science.